All right, welcome back. This is a 1985 Honda ATC 70. I bought this, man, about 4 or 5 years ago. Now my son's old enough to drive it, so I pulled it out and just went through it. Couldn't get the carburetor to act right, so I just bought a new one, OEM, and put it on there and got it running perfect. And then I was just going to let him ride it. But then I ran across a deal on Facebook Marketplace for an 83 and another 85 ATC 70 Honda. So went and talked to the guys about that, and the price they were asking, I thought it was for each one. Come to find out, it was for both. And needless to say, I got a really good deal on it, on the two of them, which are over here in a pile. This one here is the 83, and this one runs perfect. This one's missing the intake, the carb, and the airbox, but I actually hooked that all up, and that one started up as well. So they both run really well with no smoke. But the rims are rusty, so I took the wheels off of this one here. Gonna have those powder coated and just go through both of them eventually, but now I'm just trying to make room in the garage, and finishing up some of these projects are a little easier. So what I ended up doing was, the 85 that I bought on Facebook cheap, the rear plastics were cracked. So on this one here, the plastics were good, so I decided I was going to put new plastics on this one, take the plastics that were on this one that were fairly good condition, and put it on the other one. So now I have three complete bikes, and I made this one really nice for my son, who is 8. He's gonna love this thing. Let me give it a little pull, start it up for you. It's on.